Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to send XRP from Coinbase to Crypto.com. I'll be showing the app version of how to do this as it will be easier for the purpose of this video. And so right now we're here on the Coinbase app homepage. And since I don't have assets on this account, I won't be able to show you the complete sending form, but there are a few ways on how to do this. If you already have assets that you want to send from your Coinbase, simply tap on transfer. And as we can see here, we have 4 options, and the top one is what we'll need to tap on: send crypto. On this drop down, if you're seeing connect to Coinbase wallet, if I tap on this, it means that I am going to send from my Coinbase exchange to my Coinbase wallet. So what we actually have to do is to paste the address over here on the top. Otherwise, we can scan a QR code if we have a separate phone. But there is another way to do this, and let's go back to the homepage. What we can do instead is tap on the bottom right, and we can see top assets right here. We have XRP. Simply tap on that, and from here you can tap on the top right of the screen or the button transfer down below. If we tap transfer, we can hit send, and it will bring us back to this screen. Now the next thing we have to do is go over to our Crypto.com app, and so this is our homepage, and what we have to do is go to the top left on the 3 lines icon and tap on the very top crypto wallet. You can scroll down or manually search for XRP. Simply tap on XRP, tap on transfer, and then tap on deposit. That took a bit of a while. Now we have to select the network, and it can go through 2 networks, the default XRP or through Cronus. In this case, I will simply select XRP. This is one of the transactions that require a tag. So what we have to do is copy the address, go back to Coinbase, paste from the clipboard, tap on the one down below, and as we can see, it has detected that it is an XRP transaction. Now we'll have to copy the tag. So we're here on the form once again, copy the tag or memo, paste it here on our Coinbase. Now, if we hit preview, it won't actually preview because I don't have the funds on this account, but only the address and the memo have to match, and you can expect to receive that on your XRP balance over in the crypto wallet on Crypto.com. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.